Good morning, guys. I've got a few projects I'm working on today, and I worked on a little bit yesterday, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But I got a 24 volt solargizer we'll be putting in today. Got a little 80 amp circuit breaker. I'll show you what that's going to be for here in a minute. A couple of cyclone lights for the cab. Going to take out the LED light bar that I had in there temporarily and put these in. What else? Oh, picked up another Gladiator cabinet from Lowe's since they were on sale. It's too good to pass up. These are about, with the military discount, they're just under $100, so it's a pretty good deal. Didn't do any filming yesterday for an episode because we had about 15 to 20 people out here working on this. They're doing some improvements along here, as well as remove the CenturyLink box from the middle of my driveway, which is how this whole scenario started. But I'm going to cover that in a different episode, so let me show you what I was working on yesterday, and then we'll get started on the other projects. So I want to run 24 volts into the shelter here for the solargizer, as well as maybe some other accessories. But yesterday I pulled in this cable. It's a 4-3 or a 6-3, I believe, and that will go to a little fuse panel I put in here, a 4-circuit fuse panel. So yeah, I put a 24 volt 4-circuit little fuse panel there. Probably going to put the solargizer on the top of the box on the outside here, and then run the wire right through here, down along here, down here, mount the solargizer indicator right here and control box, and then tap into here and the ground, of course. So that'll keep the batteries in tip-top shape. It doesn't actually charge, it just kind of sends a pulse that desulfates the batteries so they can stay at full capacity. It's just a maintainer, basically. And did a bunch of this yesterday. I'm still kind of not finished. I gotta put some more brackets, some wire saddle straps here. Those came in yesterday late in the day. But I put up a switch which controls power going into this cabinet. And you can't really see it, but behind the PlayStation there is a couple of 12 volt receptacles. Might be able to see it back here. Yeah, back there. So anyhow, took the old PS3 that I never use anymore, and I just put it out here. It'll come in handy for movies or whatnot. I eventually want to upgrade this TV because the wattage on it is about 60 watts, and the new LED TVs, a 32-inch one, would use about 20 watts. So I'll eventually upgrade that. I'm still searching on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace for that. But anyhow, let's get started on the solargizer and the cab lighting. Alright guys, I got the panel mounted on the little electrical box here. Gotta put some Sikaflex on that opening there and pull the rest of this wire in, but outside here that's a done deal. And you can kind of see all of the penetrations that I've made as we've been working on Abel here to get into that shelter. Lots of penetrations. Alright guys, I got the solargizer wired in to the ground bar and the power coming into the 24 volt fuse panel. So what I got left to do is I got to go out and wire the battery box for the power that comes into the 24 volt panel and the ground bar. Well guys, I got tired of this whole battery box mess, so I'm cleaning that up as I go here. Figured out these breakers fit right in the top part of the tray there. So got the 24 volt wire right here, but wanted to clean this up a bit before I move forward. Alright guys, that took about all morning. Now, is this absolutely perfect 100%? Absolutely not. Is it better than what it was before? Yeah, probably about 10 times better, but I got all my breakers lined up inside that little tray there, and then I rerouted all the cables around the inside of the openings on the batteries. So yeah, this is a lot better than what it was. Easier access to the breakers, and they're not tripping on and off all the time from bouncing around. So yeah, moving on. Okay, gonna take this light bar down, and I think I'm gonna mount the lights there, and there. I brought all the stuff in the cab so I could just sit in here and dilly-dally around with it, so I'm gonna start doing that. Okay, got those done. Good for now. They provide good light for the cab. Got one more project I want to tackle today. I was gonna take this light bar and mount it up here, like pointing down, but it's not gonna work. There's not enough room up there, and the door interferes with it, so I'll have to figure out something else. But for now, I think I'm gonna call it a day, and I want to pressure wash the cars, and haven't done that for a bit, so I'll probably do that. But other than that, good episode, guys. I'll catch you later. See you later, and see you next time. Bye bye.